What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So yesterday I unfortunately left my cameras at home, so I was not able to record anything, but we started a flooring job. We redid the floor in a master bedroom, and I also went to my brother's house and started spackling this room that he did. I did about half of the first coat. I didn't go there until late in the afternoon, so today at some point I'm gonna run back there and finish up the first coat. I'm gonna have to grab some corner bead and stuff like that, but right now I am at Home Depot because I need to get a couple more boxes of flooring. We have this Lifeproof, let's see, sterling oak is the color. That is what we are doing in this master bedroom, but there was not enough to finish the closet. So I'm grabbing 3 more boxes. That way we can get this job buttoned up, and then I can head to my brother's house later and finish that up. But let me run into Home Depot and grab this stuff, and I will catch back up with you guys when I'm at the job.
Let's go. Let's go.
All right, guys, so we just finished up this flooring job here. We did the entire room, and we did that closet and that closet. That's the bathroom over there, so we obviously didn't do that, but it came out looking great. This is a sterling oak color, is what they call it. It's a laminate floor, but it looks great. We're happy with it. The only issue we had is the shelves in the closet came all the way down to the floor, and we had to move them in order to remove the carpet and get the new flooring underneath. So that slowed us down a little bit, which is why we are still here at 5 o'clock, but that's okay. We got this done. So tomorrow, me and Rodrigo are meeting at a job in Poughkeepsie, and we just have to do a couple little things there, and then we're going to my brother's house to finish the Spackle job, and then after that we have to go back to the Poughkeepsie job because there is a Granite install tomorrow. So quite a bit on the schedule for tomorrow, but either way, I'll give you one last look at this floor, and I'm gonna get out of here, and I will see you guys in the morning. Good morning, everybody. So we went to the Poughkeepsie job, but the electricians weren't there. So now we are at my brother's house where I started spackling the other day. As you can see, this room is pretty much done. I need to finish the ceiling and some of the corners, but we also have this room, which Rodrigo is working in, that we need to finish. I did all the screw holes out here the other day when I was here, but we got to do all the corners and the seams and get the first coat done on here, and then in a couple days we will come back and finish it. We'll do the second coat and then probably a third coat a different day. But let's set this camera up and get to work. All right, so we got most of it done. We're gonna have to come back in a little bit. We're gonna run and grab lunch and then meet the Granite guys at the other job. And then we gotta grab a roll of tape from Home Depot, and they just have a couple corners up here to finish. This corner, and then this room should be done with the first coat. And then we have a little bit out here to finish. Some corners and some seams on the ceiling. So overall, we're in pretty good shape right now. All right guys, so we just got back to my brother's. We stopped at the other job and people were still there working, so I didn't record anything. I will stop back there later and just check it out and show you guys what all happened there. But we stopped at Home Depot and we got an access panel here that will go somewhere like this. Well, that's upside down, but it'll go somewhere like that because his valve for his hose is right here. Rodrigo is changing a piece. Did you change it already?
The fit is here.
Oh, it's on? Oh, nice. This was leaking before. So
now
we
a
just
little
bought
bit more.
Yeah, now it's dripping a little less.
No, no, it's not at the bottom.
Oh, yeah. Well, actually, it's dripping here.
No, I need to take it here.
Oh, okay. So we got that fixed. It was leaking a lot before, so we grabbed the parts to fix it. But I have to finish in here and out here, and that should button this job up for the time being. All right, so we are pretty much done here. We have a full first coat on. We will have to come back in a couple days and do the second coat, and then again for the third coat. So I'm gonna stop by that other job tomorrow morning and check it out. So I will throw that at the end of this video after this. But it looks pretty good in here for a first coat. Obviously, there's a lot of work left to get it done, but it's a good start. So that pretty much wraps it up for now. Rodrigo was just adjusting this door here. It was hitting on the top here. So we got that taken care of and this whole room taken care of, but I will catch back up with you guys in the morning when I'm at that other job. All right, guys, so I'm at this apartment job that we did here. So this is the countertop that got installed yesterday with the sink, and then this little piece here that they added as well. And the electrician was here, so all of that is taken care of. This looks great. I actually really like these cabinets. They're like an antique kind of faded look on them. Don't know the exact color or what they're called, but I really like how they look. So the fridge slid in here. The electrician added an outlet for that, and he did all the electric in here, along with some wiring here for under cabinet lighting. But this came out really nice. So we did a whole kitchen renovation in here. We did the floor through the whole apartment, and the whole place got painted. So we did quite a bit of work in here. The bathroom is getting a new vanity as well, but they are making that one, and the vanity is on back order, so we're waiting for that, and they are going to make the sink for it, and then we'll have to come back and install it. So we have one more day here to do final cleanup and install the appliances, and then finish that last vanity. So almost buttoned up, and it is coming out great. But I think that pretty much wraps up this video. I know I was a little all over the place with coming here, and then the guy's still working here, then going back to my brother's and getting that spackle done, and then now coming here this morning to make this video. But that is how my life goes. I'm usually all over the place, and it's nothing new for me. But either way, that pretty much wraps up this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I know we are starting to switch over to more construction stuff, so if you are a follower of the channel, then you probably are not used to this because the channel has been all snow removal stuff, but this is what my world is going to be for the rest of the year until we get back into the winter. So get used to it. But either way, I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.